What's going on, you guys? Moss back here with another wave journey video. Last week I did week 1 of my wave journey, and I had gotten my hair cut about 2 weeks ago. So yeah, if you don't know what this is, I'm just basically going week by week, show you what my wave progress is, and yeah, just show you guys what I do, what I'm doing differently. So I guess to start off this video, I'm going to show y'all how my waves are looking this week. Also, I got a new do-rag, red by Kids, definitely. I'm also put on a stocking cap. I'm not sure if I had one on last week. But yeah, here's the wave reveal. Also got my beautiful girlfriend behind the camera. Try to get this close. Try to get in these waves, babe. I'm just saying, try to get in these waves.
Okay.
Alright, you ready?
Yes.
Let's go. Right there. Right there. Right there. Oh. Yeah, so the progress is definitely coming together. I haven't really been doing anything different. I actually been using some leave-in conditioner that I forgot to bring. And I'm starting to only use the 360 style about once a week. I've realized that if you keep putting that in every day, it starts to make your hair stink and build up. So I just put this in once a week and use Cantu on the days I don't use it, just so y'all know. I'm pretty sure you all know what Cantu look like. So yeah, this is how I'm doing. Looks pretty good to me. How about you? Does it look good?
Yes, it does look good.
You look good?
You just have to brush the sides.
Yeah, I know. The sides, I definitely have to work on. I also been using a bag to help lay it down. If you use your hand, it takes the moisture out of your hair. I definitely don't want it to be dry. Also need to get a shape up because looking kind of bummy right now. But it's alright though, it's alright. I'm trying to wolf it out, get my hair in the pattern I want it to be in. And yeah, get the back. See the back looking like. Probably looks a mess right now since I haven't brushed it really today. I've been kind of lazy today. Trying to work on the angles. I need to get a mirror. My friend Tashawn, who's supposed to be here, told me that mirrors work great for people's hair. I would show y'all me washing my hair again, but I already showed it last week, so I'm not even gonna do that. Here's the brush I'm using. It's medium. I also got this military style brush, soft and hard. I used the hard brush like beginning of this week because the curls were over curling, so I used that to pull it down. Then I went over it with the medium, the soft, then I put the 360 style grease in there. And that was all she wrote. But yeah, this is the progress so far, week 2. It's really like, when did I get my hair cut?
It was like a few days after Thanksgiving.
No.
No, was it?
No, it was during Christmas break.
I know, but oh, it was right in the beginning of Christmas.
Oh, okay, yeah. Right before Christmas.
My bad.
I need to work on my sides. The sides are the only problem I have. I can keep brushing and brushing, but it doesn't work out. But anyways, if you like this video, like I always say, click that like button. Don't like it, click the dislike button. No matter what, you still viewed it. It still helps me out. And yeah, leave some tips down below what I can do better, what I'm doing wrong. It always helps. Alright guys, catch you guys later. Peace.